Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
I don't want to, Mom.
Then get over here, just get over here.
That's what I was wanting to do. And you're like, no.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Wendy. I'm a part-time reseller, full-time postal worker. I resell on platforms such as Poshmark, eBay, sometimes Mercari. Been getting a lot of these Goodwill mystery boxes.
I like to open them.
And she likes to open and peek. Got this one recently out of the Y2K box. It's a Life is Good sweatshirt. It's a little worn, but it is super, super comfortable. But yeah, let's get to the box.
We get to open the box.
Scoot it over just a little bit. It's huge. It's a giant. Oh, it is actually 2 boxes. I purchased 2 men's size medium basic apparel boxes just because I got a coupon for buy one get one basic apparel box. Signed up, I got an email and I signed up for the secret drop from Goodwill, the blue box, and I think it's like a day or 2 later they sent me a coupon for buy one get one. So they're normally $24.99 for 10 to 12 items. Here, so there you go. Muscles!
You ruined it.
What did I
Now
do?
type it back together. Come on.
Get over here. Okay.
Oh no.
I don't know. Anyways, they're normally $24.99 and with $5 shipping, walk this way, with $5 shipping, and so one of these boxes were free and I think they shipped both of them together. Yeah, 2 men's basic apparel boxes, size medium, paid $34.99 total with the shipping because they included the shipping together for the 2 boxes. So she can start now.
Okay. So.
Ooh, that's new with tags.
There's a jacket.
It's Texas, I think. I think the T is, or is that Tennessee? I was going to say or Tennessee. But it is a fleece gray and orange Tennessee quarter zip. Yeah, super cute. New with tags. It's Starter brand, I believe. Yeah. All right. That's already pretty good. All right, let's see. Looks like we got some pants. They are Prana. Didn't know Prana made men's stuff, but okay. They look really comfortable. Like they probably would fit you. Maybe me. I don't know. I'm not a medium. Maybe they are men's. Prana's a good brand though.
These Adidas shorts.
Nice. Not bad. Adidas. Let's see. I'll get this one.
Fair.
Ooh, it feels like new tags. Dockers. It's not bad actually. Be pretty good for the winter. Dockers isn't a great brand, but this is a decent sweater with new tags. Yeah, the video.
No, I'm not.
What was that?
Callaway.
That's a golf brand. Feels good. It's a pretty good brand.
I'd wear it. It seems really comfortable.
It feels good. My husband likes to wear those shirts, but I know that he's not that size. This is PGA Tour shorts, new with tags. A lot of golf stuff in this. Not bad. Okay, take it. It's a pretty color. Got that preppy. Oh, it's new with tags. Polo Ralph Lauren. Look at that. It's originally $39.50. It's pretty though. Let's see. I got some pants. Oh, new with tags. What? Say what? Savani. It's not great. I don't think this is a great brand, but they're actually pretty nice. A cuffed bottom. Is there actual price tag on here? No, it's climate controlled. Okay, I'll take it.
What's this?
Ooh, something that's her style.
Yeah, look at that.
It is denim and flower. Ricky Singer. That looks like something she might wear. Ooh, but what about this? Adrenaline shorts. Oh, these are kind of cute. Look at those. Never heard of this brand, but kind of reminds me of like Patagonia colors and all that stuff. Not bad. I'll take it.
Well, you already bought it. So.
Oh, I've already bought it.
Another Polo Ralph Lauren.
This cute basic t-shirt, which is, it is a basic box, right? Take the pants. More pants. Maybe we'll find some money. Oh, what's the brand? No brand, no brand. Oh, LL Bean Classic Fit, size 34. Feels like a good material. Anything in the pockets? I didn't try the new tag ones because I knew there wouldn't be any money in there. Oh, nothing in the pockets, but that's okay. Ooh, I like that color.
Yeah, that's why I grabbed it. That's that pretty.
Ooh, that is Polo. Ralph Lauren again. Oh, that's a really, I think this is a good, it's not Polo, it's actual Ralph Lauren. I think that's a good tag, decent tag. It's pretty with that pink, blue and the pink. I'll take this one. It's Field and Stream. It is an outdoor shirt. It does have that panel in the back, that mesh panel.
This really isn't a bad box.
This is actually a pretty good box. Especially for $34.99.
Ooh, I might take this.
Nike shorts. This looks like something she would definitely wear. So far, I think she's probably claimed 2 items. All right, I'll take the red thing. It is Nike. Nike. I wouldn't be surprised if she stole this one too. Feels good.
I really like the color red.
You know?
So.
Okay, well then I'll sell it.
Right.
Feels good though. All right. So far, these have actually been really good condition. The ones that are actually used.
Nike.
Another Nike t-shirt. You are good. Hey, you hold one side, I'll hold the other.
That makes sense.
Well, Vanna White it. Okay, my turn. I've got an Under Armour top. It is one of those mock neck, like thermal, I don't want to call them thermal dry. What are they called?
Dry fit?
Compression, that's what the word I'm looking for. Cool gear. The cool gear. Cold gear, sorry. Cold gear, compression, Under Armour. It's good.
This one stands out,
Ooh.
so I'm gonna grab it. Okay.
It's bright. It's just a Hanes sweatshirt, new with tags. I think so far we've got at least a quarter new with tags, right? I'll take these. These are Under Armour. Little, what does it say? Compression, heat gear. The other one was cold gear. These are heat gear. Little Under Armour.
This one is Eddie Bauer.
Eddie Bauer t-shirt. This feels good for a t-shirt. Doesn't even look like it's got any stains on it. Okay. And we have a plaid Jose Bank. Little gingham, a gingham button down. Really good condition. It feels new, actually.
We got a couple more of these.
A couple new sweatshirts.
Uh-huh.
All right, got a gray one.
And
I
then a
think
red
we
one.
got a red one as well. So we could probably lot 3 of those up together and sell them.
There you go.
And this is the last one. It's a Lands End. This Lands End. Just a button down. Oh wait, there's a little stain on this one. That's alright. We might be able to get those out. Might take it to Plato's Closet. I don't know. That's the end of the box. Here, let's move that over. Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just seeing if we got our 20 to 24 that we should have got. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. We actually got an extra one. And I say the extra one is this one, so it made it well worth it. But this is really nice. So what do you think about this box?
really good.
Really good?
Mm-hmm.
I definitely like it. You know, today is the last day to use that buy one get one code that I have. I share it with everybody, but I think it's specific to the subscribing to that secret drop. But anyways, this is again the Goodwill blue box that Goodwill has, their mystery boxes. I have never gotten a box with this many new tag items. They're not like high-end or anything, but they're really, really good brands, very quality. So I definitely would do this again. But yeah, Goodwill blue box. I will link the website in the description, so you can check it out yourself. $5 shipping for every box that they have. Most of the apparel boxes are $24.99. The kids ones, I believe, are $9.99 and $14.99. There's an infant one that's $9.99. Then they have a women's basic apparel box as well. And then they have a whole bunch of other ones that are really hard to get a hold of. Friday at 6 p.m., I think it's Eastern Standard Time, is when they do the restocks. It's like 5 o'clock my time, which is really, really difficult time for me to do. I'm usually driving in my car, but they have the Y2K boxes, which I got this from, and I recently did a video for. They have the denim boxes. They have the purse boxes, the either designer and vintage purses. I think they just have a single one, which I ordered one of those recently, so we should see what kind of purse that I got. They recently added the Western boot box. I think there's 4 pairs of boots. Not sure how much they are, but it went really fast. Like, I refreshed. I never seen it even come up, and then it showed that it was sold out. So somebody got it really fast. But yes, all kinds of different Goodwill blue boxes, mystery boxes that you can choose from, $5 shipping. If you have recently done one that I haven't watched, let me know. I'd love to watch your video. If you plan to do one, tag me in your video when you get it so I can check it out. Be sure and like and subscribe this video if you found this enjoyable. If you find it enjoyable. Okay, so just like it. Just like the damn video.
If you like the video, like it. Like it.
And if you really like it, subscribe. I do a lot of content like this. Haul videos, what sold, mystery boxes, lots of mystery boxes. So if you find this fascinating, be sure and also hit that notification bell so when you can see when it's posted. Y'all have a great day.